Hello dear Phasmatic friends! Today we start with factoring. But what's that? Do you remember the special products that we have seen? Well, in special products you multiply to get some terms. Now you take those terms and you go to the multiplication you had before. Each part of a multiplication is called a factor. That's why we call it factoring. And the first case is called monomial common factor. Let's go see one example, please. First of all, in factoring it's very important to count terms. So here I have one term separated by a negative sign of another term separated by a positive sign of another term. We have three terms. And the question is, what number would be common to those three terms? So we have to calculate the greatest common divisor to find a common number for the three terms. Let's do it. We write 62, 93, and 124. Remember our video about the greatest common divisor? So we see if we can divide each number by 2. Here we have an even number and here we have another even number, so we can divide them by 2. 62 divided by 2 is 31. 93 is an odd number, so I can't. And 124 divided by 2 is 62. Can I divide again by 2? Yes, because I have an even number here also. So 31 no, 93 no, but 62 divided by 2 is 31. After that, can I divide one number by 2? No, but by 3? Yes, because 9 plus 3 is 12. And 12 can be divided by 3. So 31 is a prime number, nothing to do. 31 is a prime number, but 93 divided by 3 is 31. Finally, 31 can be divided only by 31. So 31 divided by 31, 1, 1, 1. And remember how to calculate the greatest common divisor. Is this line divided by 2 with all the numbers? No. This line? No. Is this line divided by 3 with all the numbers? No. But this line is divided by 31 with all the numbers. So the greatest common divisor is 31. After that, we have to see if a letter is repeating in the three terms. X, X, X. X. Exactly, perfect. And I am going to choose the lowest exponent. 3 for this X, 2 for this X, and 1 for this X. So I choose the 1. After that, I see that Y is repeating. So I choose the lowest exponent. 2, 3, 2. I put 2. Finally, Z. Okay, so the lowest exponent is 2. Okay. This will be called the common factor. It's very important. And it is a monomial because I have only one term. After that, I open a parenthesis and I am going to divide each term by the common factor. Remember, we have seen how to divide a polynomial by a monomial. It is the same. It is very important to know that. If you don't know that, please you have to see our video about the division of a polynomial by a monomial. So, if you can't do the division in your mind, you can write that division. 62 x cubed y squared z to the power of 4 divided by 31 x y squared z squared. So, positive divided by positive, positive. 62 divided by 31 is 2. X cubed divided by x, x squared, because you subtract the exponents. Y squared divided by y squared, it is 1, but you are not gonna write it because it is multiplied by this expression. And z to the power of 4 divided by z to the power of 2, z to the power of 2, because you subtract the exponents. So here you are gonna write 2x squared z squared. After that, we are going to divide the second term by the common factor. So, negative 93 x squared y cubed z squared divided by 31 x y squared z squared. Negative divided by positive, negative. 93 divided by 31 is 3. X squared divided by x, x. Y cubed divided by y squared, y. And z squared divided by z squared is 1, but multiplied by the expression is that expression. Negative 3xy. Finally, I'm going to divide the third term by the common factor. 124 x y squared z squared by 31 x y squared z squared. And here I can see that 124 divided by 31 is 4. X divided by x, goodbye. Y squared divided by y squared. Z squared divided by z squared. Only 4 plus 4. And that's it. How to verify this answer? Well, if you multiply the monomial by each of the terms inside the parentheses, you see that you are going to get the same expression that you had before. Thank you very much, dear friends. Please practice this. See you next time.